Hello students, once again welcome to another video where I am continuing the modulus topic, and I think I have uploaded 3 to 4 parts of it. I am trying to upload in a shorter manner so that you can grab the concept. Today we will be discussing modulus inequality. In the previous video also I discussed the same, but there I discussed only one term. Now we have two terms or maybe more than two terms, right? So how to tackle this question or such type of questions, right? So before going for the concept, if you have not watched the earlier video, you must see so that you can grab the concept, right? So it is saying that mode of x minus 3 plus mode of x minus 4 should be less than 12, right? So what are the range of x, right? We have to find this range of x. So what is the range of x for which the given inequality is true, right? So there are multiple ways of solving this question. One is mathematical way and one is distance approach. In the previous video, I discussed the same by the distance approach, and I'll be continuing with the same approach, right? So for that, you have to just find the critical point and you have to make the number line, right? So first of all, I will be drawing the number line, that is minus infinity to plus infinity, and we have to find the critical point of the given modulus terms. So critical point, that is, just put the term equals to 0, so we will be getting x equals to 3, and from here I will be getting x equals to 4. I believe it is clear. So I can say iska jo critical point aayega, that would be 3 and that would be 4. I hope it is clear, right? Now just try to imagine there are two person A and B, right? Just assume them, there are two person A and B, right? They have decided that we'll be walking, because modulus is the distance. They'll be walking the distance which is less than 12. They want to walk the distance, but the distance, combined distance, should be less than 12. They don't want to go beyond 12, right? Even they don't want to go 12 also, less than 12, right? So what is the initial distance they are having? This initial distance is 1 unit, right? इनके बीच में initial 1 unit का distance है. Now A decided to go to B. A ने बोला कि मैं B से कि मैं तुम्हारे पास आता हूँ. तो अगर A B के पास आएगा तो ये कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगा? 1 यूनिट. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. तो कैन यू टेल मी द बैलेंस कितना बचेगा अभी डिस्टेंस? तो बैलेंस वुड बी 12 माइनस 1. हाँ, मैक्सिमम 12 ले लेते हैं, फिलहाल के लिए हम इसको 12 ले लेते हैं, बट 12 को इंक्लूड नहीं करना, दैट इज इक्वल. तो बेसिकली इनको 11 चलना है या 11 से कम चलना है. 11 होने पर तो 12 हो जाएगा, तो इनको बैलेंस जो है वो लेस देन 11 करना है, राइट? तो बैलेंस शुड बी लेस देन 11, राइट? तो आप इसको ऐसा भी समझ सकते हैं कि जो बैलेंस होगा दोस्तों, वो 12 माइनस 1 दैट इज 11. तो 11 से कम डिस्टेंस से ट्रेवल करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज 1 तो इन्होंने ऑलरेडी ट्रेवल कर चुके हैं. नाउ दिस 11 डिस्टेंस हैज टू बी कवर्ड बाय बोथ, बिकॉज ये जो है वो बी के यहाँ पे आ चुका है, राइट? इसका मतलब दिस 11 यूनिट is to be covered by both. ये दोनों को चलना है, राइट? is to be covered by both. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो फिर ये कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेंगे, ये हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो अगर दो आदमी हाथ में हाथ डाल के 11 किलोमीटर चलते हैं तो दोनों बराबर चलेंगे ना, वरना एक के पीछे रह जाएगा, एक आगे चला जाएगा. दे वांट टू गो अलोंग विद द सेम आई कैन से स्पीड और उसके साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन में. तो यू विल बी सेइंग सर दोनों बराबर डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेंगे, बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम सेइंग सो इंडिविजुअल डिस्टेंस कितना आएगा फिर इनका? तो इंडिविजुअल डिस्टेंस जो आएगा दोस्तों, दैट इज नथिंग बट 11/2, और आई कैन से लेस देन 11/2, राइट? लेस देन 11/2 आएगा, क्योंकि देयर आर 2 पर्सन. 3 होते तो हम 3 से डिवाइड करते. तो जब आप यहाँ से 11/2 जाओगे या लेस देन 11/2 जाओगे, तो ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड दिस वैल्यू विल बी एडेड. तो 4 + 11/2, सो दैट इज 4 + 1 8, दैट इज 4 2 8 19/2. बट आपको 19/2 पे पहुंचना है, लेकिन आप एग्जैक्टली उससे पीछे रहना चाहते हैं, लेस देन है. एंड सेम गोज ट्रू if B is coming to A position. So this has to be decreased by the same unit, that is 3 minus 11/2. So that will be -5/2. I believe it is clear, right? तो यहाँ पे आप पहुँचोगे तो ये जो पॉइंट आएगा that this point is actually minus का 5/2, right? So we have to travel the distance. They have to travel the distance less than 12 combined distance. So you will be saying the x is less than 19/2 and should be greater than -5/2, or you can use the open bracket to represent the range of x. So I hope you understand the concept, and this concept has already been taught in the previous video also. You must watch that so that you can get the idea what is the distance concept here, right? Hopefully it is clear. We have another question so that you can just polish the concept, right? So we have one more question for you, right? It is saying that mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 1 is greater than equals to 15. Now together they want to travel 15 or more than 15. So first of all we have to find the range of x. The question is very simple, that is range of, we have to find the range of x, right? So what is the possible range of x? So that is also very simple, right? So what we will be saying, सबसे पहले तो इसका CP निकालेंगे, that is 6, and दोस्तों इसका जो CP आएगा that is x equals to -1. X equals to -1. We have to plot a number line, and that is -1, and this is 6, right? So this is A, this is B, minus infinity to plus infinity, right? Now, okay, what is the initial distance they are having? This distance is 7 unit, because 6 of minus -1 is 7. और you can use the basic idea, that is अगर ये origin यहाँ पर है तो इधर 6 और इधर 1, 7. Distance cannot be negative, it has to be positive, right? Now B has decided to come to A place. So what is the distance traveled by B? That is 7, right? So balance distance कितना बचेगा? तो balance would be 15 minus 7, that is 8. So this 8 has to be divided between A and B equally, right? So individual distance कितना आएगा दोस्तों? This individual distance is nothing but 8/2, that is 4. So we have to move 4 unit on the right hand side of B and on the left hand side of A, that's it, right? So that is the only concept you have to use to solve such questions, right? Okay. So now this is 4 unit on the right hand side, so this will be +4, so I'll be reaching to 10, and अगर हम माइनस करेंगे 4 इधर, I'll be reaching to -5, right? But I want to travel, not actually they want to travel more than 15 or at least 15. So x का जो वैल्यू है वो 15 से ज़्यादा होगा, तब ये आपके पास ये पॉसिबल रेंज आएगा. तो you have to say sir x has to be greater than 10 or equals to 10. X का वैल्यू 10 या उससे ज़्यादा होगा. Why I'm taking 10? Because it is saying equal also, right? And similarly from this side x has to be less than or equals to -5. So the range, if you want to use a bracket, so it has to be -infinity to -5, -infinity to -5 union. Now 5 can be included, right? 5 को हम क्लोज ब्रैकेट लिखेंगे, because I can include 5 union including 10 also up to infinity. So you can put any value, right? If you want to check it, just put x equals to, for example, 20. So if it is 20, then 20 minus 6 plus 20 plus 1, right? So this is 14, and this is of course 21. So this has to be greater than 15, and of course it is greater, right? So I hope you understood the concept, and in the next video I'll be using the miscellaneous questions so that you can have the practice also. So you can join Quantitative Aptitude and see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.